everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty rainy here today. We just got back from the States. So let's go ahead and get into my Coach unboxing. All right, so it came in a bag like this. So let's go ahead. I had to open it for the border guard. So we have the packing slip. All right, came in a Coach box like this. It opens up like this. It came in the original tissue paper with the little Coach sticker. So that was pretty cool. Okay, so save that. This is from eBay, and this is brand new. And this is in the compact Minnie Mouse with a boom box in the chalk, and it's the compact zip around. It's brand new, never used, with tags. All right, it's got the front here with Minnie. She's jamming out. And then the back has one little slot there, which is pretty cool. And then it has zip around. And this is all brown, which is nice. It's got a place for bills. It's got the care booklet that comes with all Coach items. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then in here, let's see what this has. The tag. The tag says $185 US. Okay, $185. And then in the little slot here, there's another care booklet. And there's a little gusset there. And then in here is for coins or whatever you can fit in there. And then it's got 2 slots. It's got 2 card slots there. It says Coach there. And then it's got one little gusseted there. And then that's what it looks like that way. So that's pretty cool. I got this to go with my my Rogue that I have, my 50th anniversary Rogue. I couldn't find it in red. I was trying to find a red one. I couldn't find one, so this was the closest that I could get that I liked. So this is from the collection from last year, and it's really nice. So I'm looking forward to using it. And all this little black here, that's all sparkly. So that's pretty cool. This is the bag that I'm using today, is my Loungefly Disney Parks Runaway Railway with a matching wallet. So anytime that you can get any kind of Disney whatever, try to get the matching wallet if it comes with that, because it makes it a lot easier if you like the matchy that I like. But not everything comes with a wallet or accessories, and it just makes it really hard when you're trying to match stuff, because it doesn't really match, but it's kind of close. So yeah, so that would be my only tip, but trying to match the stuff, because it's not always easy. All right, And it has pretty good placement. It holds a lot, even though it's small. And if you don't want any compliments, then don't buy a lounge fly, because you're gonna get a lot of compliments. All right, so if you have any requests or anything like that, please leave them in the comments below. I will be doing my next request from Princess Sophia. She wanted to know what I thought about my new Rogue from Coach, my Mickey and Minnie 50th anniversary bag, what fits, and she wanted me to do a comparison with my Rogue and one of my Disney Doonies. So I'm putting that together, and until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. And make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm doing a fabulous giveaway, an SLG hard to find Disney item, and a few surprises in between. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.